I'm not gonna buy you french fries. Cause you're so makulit. No french fries for Kendall, ha? Daddy? No more french fries for Kendall. Kulit eh.
No. What about I'm fries.
No french fries for Kendall.
Please, I'm fries.
No french fries cause you're so makulit. What you gonna say? What you gonna say to mommy?
Please.
Please? Okay, I'll buy you french fries.
Okay. Go down.
I'm done.
Okay. Oh.
Ha?
Oh.
Makulit?
Good.
Oy! Who's bad?
Good.
A good?
Good.
And Kendall is bad.
And then bad. And then Halloween.
You want french fries?
No, Halloween.
Hawin? What's that?
On the
You want
Halloween.
pizza? Pizza na lang.
Yeah, just sit down.
Yeah, and then you wanna sit down and eat. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. What's your order?
I'm not pay a dog on pay Wawa a house.
Wanna pay your house? Wow.
I'm pay Wawa house.
Wanna pay your house? Wow.
People have a happy a dance. Hooray!
Yay.
More fun. Keep it more. No, dance. Keep it dance more. Keep it more. Then
You can see the McDonald's. The drive
open there. Oh,
Arte mo. Oh, just sleep na. Good night.
no. Break it.
No more french fries for Kenny.
No, I'm done for me.
Ang so french fries naman ang
I'm fine.
What?
I'm Wawa.
Roro is not here.
I'm the Wawa.
No, Lolo.
I'm the Wawa. I'm the Wawa.
We're going home na. Lolo is in the house na. Lolo. Na-miss mo si Lolo? You miss Lolo?
It's Miss Wawa.
Na-miss mo. Huwag mo ganyanin yan, ha?
Wawa, it's Wawa.
Lolo.
No, Mommy, come here. No. Mommy, wake up. Get here.
Oh, iya. Tikil.
No, get here.
Iya, yo. And a bum.